Benvenuto Papiamento ABC.
Learning made easy.
I'm Bert.
And I'm Shannon. Bert, I think it's time.
You mean it's time to tell time?
Yeah.
Oh, that's easy. And on Curaçao, it's always island time.
Well, better late than never.
Melhor lá do que nunca.
So, how do you say time in Papiamento anyways?
Time translates to tempo. Tempo. But when telling time, you say Bisa hora. Bisa hora. Yet hora means hour. Hora. Pretty simple, right? Yeah.
Some other words you'll want to know when telling time are minute, minüt, minüt, clock, Oloshi, Oloshi. And watch is also Oloshi, Oloshi. And of course, the numbers. If you haven't done so already, check out our episode on numbers.
When asking for time, you say kuan'or ting. Kuan'or ting.
When telling time, you say the number followed by or. So 1 o'clock would be un'or, un'or. 2 o'clock, dos'or, dos'or. 3 o'clock, tres'or, tres'or. 4 o'clock, kuat'or, kuat'or. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere, they say cincor, cincor. 6 o'clock, seis'or, seis'or. 7 o'clock, shetor, shetor. 8 o'clock, och'or, och'or. 9 o'clock, nueb'or, nueb'or. 10 o'clock, diesor, diesor. 11 o'clock, diesunor, diesunor. 12 o'clock, diesdosor, diesdosor. To differentiate noon from midnight, we say diesdosor di merdia for noon, and for midnight, diesdosor di marduga.
So you might have noticed with telling time, some of the numbers are cut off with an apostrophe. It's just for a better flow. 3:15. Kuartu pasá de tres. Kuartu pasá de tres. Notice that the or is left out. 9:30. Mitar de 10. Mitar de 10. Literally half of 10. 1:45. Kuartu pa dos. Kuartu pa dos. 5 minutes to 1. Sinku pa um. Sinku pa um. 24 minutes to 6. Bintikuater pa seis. Bintikuater pa seis. 7:05. Sinku pasá de shete. Sinku pasá de shete. 8:10. 10 pasá de ocho. 10 pasá de ocho. 4. 29 pasá de cuatro. 29 pasá de cuatro. Okay, so everything towards the top of the hour is pa. Pa. And everything after the top of the hour is pasá di. Pasá di. When telling time, it's important to know the particular part of the day. Morning, mainta, mainta. Noon, merdia, merdia. Afternoon, atardi, atardi. Evening, anoche, anoche. So 9 a.m. would be nueb'or di mainta, nueb'or di mainta. And 9 p.m. is nueb'or di anoche, nueb'or di anoche. 3 p.m. is tres'or di tardi, tres'or di tardi. 3 a.m. is tres'or di marduga, tres'or di marduga.
Wow, that's early. Early, trempang, trempang. Early morning, mainta trempang, mainta trempang. Late, lat, lat. Late afternoon, atardi lat, atardi lat. Last but not least, dusk and dawn. Not commonly used on Curaçao, but still fun to know. Dusk is scuritu, scuritu. Dawn, amanecer, amanecer.
Here are 10 useful sentences regarding time. What time is it? Kuantor ting. Kuantor ting. It's 5 o'clock. Ta sinkor. Ta sinkor. When will you arrive? Kuantor botayega. Kuantor botayega. What time does the store open? Kuantor e tienda tahabri. Kuantor e tienda tahabri. What time are we meeting? Kuantor nosta topa. Kuantor nosta topa. For what time is the reservation? Pa kuantor e reservación ta? Pa kuantor e reservación ta? What time is dinner? Kuantor nosta come. Kuantor nosta come. What time do we have to be there? Kuantor nos mesterta inang. Kuantor nos mesterta inang. How long will it take? Kung largo etabay dura? Kung largo etabay dura? Take your time. Tumabo tempo. Tumabo tempo. Again, very important when you're on an island.
So that's all the time we have today.
Right. Ese tatura tempo ko nos ting paawe.
Time to say goodbye.
Tempo pa Bisa. Ayo.
Thanks for watching and subscribe if you want to learn more Papiamentu. In our next lesson, we will enlighten you with the days of the week, months, and other useful stuff. Te otro bia.
Until next time.
E dice come stava di comienzo ta aha. Poteva che lampi?
Sì.
Well, barbulete, tabula na lampi, te ora e chima su ala. E se significa bota queda passa il limite. Bota passe un bia abai bom. Bota passe di dos bia
Bota
abai
queda
bom.
passe.
Bota queda passe, te ora bo bai passe. Então cada vez bota passe un tiki mas leu. Então e ora na un certo momento
Bota quima.
bota quima, che mendi nanta quebo.
Jazz hands.
9 o'clock. I can't do this.